Is your home in need of repairs you can't afford? Don't worry. I've got a solution that saves you time, money, and stress. I buy homes in any condition, no renovations, no cleaning, no hassle. Whether it's a leaky roof, an old kitchen, or just years of wear and tear, I've got you covered. With me, you don't need to spend a dime on fixing your home. I'll give you a fair cash offer and handle everything else so you can focus on what matters most. Why wait? Let's turn your house into cash, fast and hassle-free. DM me today for a no-obligation cash offer.